Hi, my name is Jamie. I'm the branch supervisor at our Provo, Utah location. Today I'm working out of the Chino warehouse.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm the branch supervisor in the Salt Lake City, Utah warehouse, and today I'm working in Chino.
One of the big things I noticed there was that there's so much more in almost the same amount of space, and it's very organized. It flows well, and the guys, they do work together. They get everything done, and they seem to know what's going on. Everyone.
The reason we did this was to give these guys an opportunity to work here in California and take their experience back to the guys in Utah, so that way they can kind of see a little bit of the difference of the volume that we do here versus there. Not only that, but allow them to learn anything new that maybe we're doing more efficiently, or maybe if they're doing something more efficiently there, we can use it here. So this will be a good experience for these guys to take back with them.
There was a lot of change that I noticed. Definitely a lot busier, definitely a lot more to put away, more to worry about. Organization is definitely, a lot more important when you've got a lot of material to work with. I think I can definitely take their organization methods and the way that they stage their material in the racks back to Utah and definitely implement it there, make it look a lot nicer and a lot easier to find.
Something that I can take back to Utah would be probably that team unity. We don't have nearly the same volume as them, but being able to work together and depend on each other and to know it's going to get done is something that we can always improve on. And probably organizing the warehouse to a better way that works better and helps with speed and accuracy, I think would be a good thing to bring back.